Hello and welcome to pmclounge.com. In this video, I quickly wanted to share what is the fees that you need to pay for different PMI certifications. So PMP, PgMP, PFMP, PBA, CAPM, all those certifications, right? What is the exact fee that you need to pay, whether you're a member or a non-member, if you're retaking the exam. So let's say you were not able to clear the exam in the first go and you want to retake a certain certification exam, how much fees do you need to pay? All that is what we are covering in this quick video. Now, one thing to note here is that all the fees that I'm going to mention will be in US dollars. So US dollars converted to your local currency, that might come out to be something different. But what we are talking about in this video is USD. So let's start off. The first one is, of course, PMP. So for PMP, you need to pay $555. Let me take up a pen. So this is what you need to pay if you are not a PMI member. CBT is basically computer-based test. So for a computer-based test for PMP exam, you are going to pay $555. But if you're a member, you will get a discount and you need to pay $405 US. And remember, the membership fees is $139. So it's actually cheaper to first become a PMI member and then take up the exam, rather than taking up the exam as a non-PMI member. So that is why most of the people who take up the PMP exam, they first opt for the PMI membership and then they opt for the PMP exam. If you're not able to clear the exam and you want to retake it, then if you're not a member, you need to pay $375. If you're a member, you need to pay $275. So of course, there's discounts going on if you are a PMI member. All right, let's move on. The next one is CAPM. It costs $300 for non-PMI members and $225 for PMI members. So here you can clearly see that it doesn't really make sense to become a member first and then take up the CAPM exam, because that is going to cost you more for the CAPM exam specifically when you take it up as a non-PMI member. Retakes $200 and $150. That's CAPM for you. All these are computer-based tests. PGMP is Program Management Professional, $1,000 for a non-PMI member and $800 for a PMI member, $800 for a retake and $600 for a retake if you are a PMI member. All right, let's move on to the next one, which is PFMP, Portfolio Management Professional. Same as PGMP, $1,000 and $800 for those who are non-members and members respectively, and then $800 and $600 for the retake. Then we have ACP, the Agile Certified Practitioner, $495 US for non-PMI members and $435 for PMI members, $395 and $335 US respectively for non-PMI and PMI members when you need to retake the exam. So these are the 5 popular certifications. We'll also take a look at 3 other certifications. One is PMI-SP. This is the first one of the 3 that I'm going to talk about here. This is a schedule professional, basically around schedules. This certification focuses around scheduling. So scheduling professional, $670 for non-PMI member, $520 for members, $435 and $335 for a retake. Then we have RMP, Risk Management Professional, same as scheduling professional. And we recently did a video with Ahmed Bara, who is an RMP. He's also a PMP. And if you want to know more about this certification, I'll drop a link to that video that we did with Ahmed, and it is going to help you understand more about risk management professional certification. And finally, PMI-PBA. This is about business analysis, professional in business analysis, if I'm not wrong. And this costs $555, same as PMP. 405 if you're a member, and 375, 275 for a retake. So that's something that I wanted to share in this video. All the certifications, important ones at least, these does not include your disciplined agile certifications. So if you want me to create a separate video about disciplined agile certifications and the fees that you need to pay when you take those up, then let me know in the comments. I'll definitely create one for them as well. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.